may leaning towards na kailangan abogado yung presiding officer ng impeachment court. Kaya may pinag-uusapan na baka si Cheese Escudero. To ang sinasabi ko, wala namang prerequisite na kailangan abogado ang maging presiding officer, no? Pero kung meron ng ganitong pre-trial preparation, document, so malinaw kung ano yung magiging direksyon ng bawat hearing eh. So the more na we can make a case na pwedeng si Senwin na rin ang presiding officer as a Senate President kasi malinaw yung guidelines, malinaw kung ano yung hihimayin during the trial. Ano sa palagay mo, kailangan ba talagang abogado or may advantage ang pagiging abogado as a presiding officer nitong impeachment?
Well, to be fair, meron naman talaga. Largely because of the way the Senate rules are actually crafted. The rules of the Senate for impeachment cases, Rule 4 and Rule 6, makes the presiding officer the officer who will rule on admissibility, objections to procedure, the construction of these rules, as well as evidentiary rulings. Siya yung unang
Mm,
mag-decide yan. So, may utility kung abogado kasi kumbaga hindi each time merong kailangang i-resolve, lilingon siya tapos magtatanong dun sa kanyang ano. But having said that, there's nothing that requires na dapat abogado. Kasi to be honest, yung yung facility na ganito, while advantageous, is not really something that cannot be learned. Okay? Pwede
mm,
naman yan ituro, na may mga boot camps naman for that. And I think more important, integrity kasi. Yung tipong
yes,
makikinig yung taong bayan and naniniwala sila na yung presiding officer mo fair. Right?
correct.
So,
Can we ask again?
let's not get too much in love with what the rules actually require the presiding officer to do when we forget
Mm,
that every tribunal is actually founded on the requirement of integrity, impartiality. Kasi kung wala yon,
mm,
kahit ikaw pa yung bar top notcher pero wala namang naniniwalang fair ka, mahirap maging presiding officer.
correct. Eh ngayon, ang lumulutang si Cheese Escudero.
Yeah, the unfortunate reality is that, of course, the public has already taken stock of how Senator Escudero would actually act as a presiding officer. So, nandyan na yan. Mahirap na
Mm,
burahin sa pag-iisip ng publiko kung ano yung nakita nila last year. So, if you're
yeah.
going to start a trial, and it's an impeachment trial, and yung presiding officer mo carries that heavy a burden na already alam na ng publiko, parang magsisimula pa lang, kailangan ng patunayan pa ng tribunal na fair kami. So
Mm.
why do it that way kung meron ka namang alternatives?